Hello, everybody. Suman Pachigula here, and I welcome you to the new series of how you are going to understand English and how you will be better at your communication. What I see is so many people, they are interested, they are so eager to get into a profession. It could be recruiting, it could be software engineering, or anything, but what is that primary struggle that they're having is with their communication skills. Now, when we say about communication skills, this is not about their current mother tongue, but it is about how they can communicate the same meaning in English. Okay. Now, I had the same problem and I had to face more than 40 interviews when I started my career, and the rejection reason was my communication skills. Now, the way I talk now, it was not like this before. In fact, I did not study in English medium school, neither in an English medium college. I started my career in a vernacular stream, Odia medium, and I'm not from extremely rich family. I'm from a middle class family and from Odisha, Malkangiri district, and that's a village that's I come from. And all my studies are in a government school in Odia medium, like most of my friends. So what was that happened is after I completed my graduation, when I landed in Hyderabad looking for a job, the primary reason and the primary problem that I faced is communication in English, professional communication in English. I could not able to exchange my views to the interviewer, and I could not able to convince them that why I fit for this organization or for this role. And the reason they tell me all the time that one of the things, the grammatical mistake I have, and I have no idea what I'm talking, and I had a deep MTI because I'm from Odisha. There was a deep MTI in my language, and MTI is mother tongue influence, and you will able to understand in few moments as I'm going to explain you what is this and how we can overcome that. So I have coming back to my story of looking for a job. I faced a lot of challenges and getting rejections, and I started looking for jobs in sales boy, in bar attender, looking for jobs in ladies corners, private detective, computer operators, call centers, RPOs, what BPOs, everything I tried, but I got rejected. And they suggested me to go and take some English communication training. Now, when after I went there and learned things, then things started improving. So here, did that training directly help me? The answer is yes or no, because along with the training, I practiced a lot. That was one thing I definitely understand. If I could not have practiced the learning, then I could not have received the outcome what I had received. Okay. So now what is that I'm going to tell you? So here, whatever your current situation is, that can be improved. If you are thinking you are not good at communication, you are not able to understand, you are not able to deliver, that can be improved. All right. And why I'm going to tell you and how I'm going to tell you. So here, coming back to the MTI part, I used to pronounce words like zigzag, issue, profession, vibration. Majority of the people who are in Odisha, Jharkhand, uh, West Bengal, Bihar, we have this sort of different way of pronouncing the English words. But I never had a problem with that when I have spoken with my friends and family members or in my place, because everyone is was like that, and we never experienced that. Okay, when we look for a job outside, we need to have some neutral accent. Okay. Many of the people say that I'm putting a fake accent when I talk, and I don't care about it because I know how was my accent is. And this is what I picked up from my learning. And as I grown in my career of the last 17 years, I communicated with the US citizens and citizens in Nigeria, citizens with New Zealand, citizens with Netherlands, so many different countries, so many different people I have spoken. Now that's how it went to the accent. Even I cannot say this is American accent, this is a neutral accent. Okay. So you don't have to focus on any different accents of different world, but you got to focus on how you can make a neutral accent which can be understood by majority of the people in different geographies. That should be the first target. And you should not be pretending something. All right, you should not be pretending something that you are not. So that's the reason it's all comes in how you start working yourself. And you don't worry if you're not able to speak in English properly. That is the first thing you need to understand. If you don't speak properly, no need to worry, because we are not native English speaker. Our first language is not English, so it is normal. So we cannot speak like an Australian speaks, an American speaks, or a UK person speaks, right? Because we are Indian. It is diversified languages, and we have grown up listening, talking, and communicating with different languages in our country. So English is something came in when the profession is associated with our career. And if there is no profession, we are good with our own languages. When you are trying to go ahead and the next level, and if you really want to communicate with a lot of people with different cultures in India and different outside India, English plays a major role. And that also plays a major role in how you are going to grow in your career, in your jobs, in your promotions, in public speaking, leadership, influencer. If that is what your dream, I would suggest you to work on your English. Okay. Now, what is this all about? What is this video is all about? I'm preparing a course for those people, for the housewives, for the employees, for the recruiters, for the students, or for the struggling people who know English and who knows what is what, but somewhere they're stuck at how I can execute it. Okay. And that's what I'm going to do it. So this is not a college course, a school course. Neither I'm an English teacher, nor I'm an English literature person. No. What is that this course will be is, how did I learn English? I'm going to explain the same way that can help you to improve your languages. All right. In this module, this is a pretty small, and definitely it's not like there is a script that will be already prepared. No, I'll take the topic and explain you how you could able to do it. So it starts with the tenses, the times, the formulas, how you would gonna do that. Then it goes with verbs, the meaning, how we are gonna use it. Then it goes with active, passive voice, the negative, positive, how you're gonna do it. Then it goes with the phonetics, how you pronounce and how you do the conversation. And it goes with the tongue twisters, how you're going to do it. And I add some of the other experiences of mine, that what are the tips and what are the tricks that you can involve in increasing your English communication. I hope you will like it. And if you are interested on this one, let me know, and I'll be keep adding more of these to the course. All right. So with this, I would like to welcome you to the course and go over it. Any questions, let me know. We can connect and discuss over it. Take care and God bless.